If you are getting the dreaded Illustrator runtime error, don't worry, because you are definitely not alone. Encountering that Visual C++ library error is frustrating, but it usually just means your application's handshake with Windows components has broken down. In today's video, I am going to walk you through the exact steps to fix this, starting from the most common solution to the more technical ones. If this video helps you get back to your design work, please hit that like button and subscribe for more professional software tips. Let's jump right into the first and most effective fix. Most runtime errors are actually caused by corrupted C++ libraries on your system. To fix this, you need to repair your Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages. Open your Windows control panel and head over to Programs and Features. You will see a long list of items, so scroll down until you find every entry that starts with Microsoft Visual C++. You are looking specifically for versions from 2015, 2017, 2019, and 2022. For every single one of these, right-click and select Change, then follow the prompts to click Repair. Make sure you do this for both the x86 and the x64 versions. Once you have gone through the entire list, restart your computer. This often resolves the conflict immediately. If that didn't work for you, your next approach should be resetting your Illustrator preferences, as corrupted settings files are another major culprit for startup crashes. First, make sure Illustrator is completely closed. Now here's the secret key combination. Press and hold Alt, Control, and Shift on your keyboard, all at the same time if you are on Windows, or Option, Command, and Shift if you are using Mac OS. While you are still holding those keys down, click the Illustrator icon to launch the program. You should see a prompt asking if you want to delete your current settings file. Go ahead and click Yes. This forces the app to generate a fresh, clean configuration. Finally, if you are still experiencing the crash, the issue might be your graphics drivers. An outdated GPU driver often causes a runtime error the moment Illustrator tries to initialize your workspace. Head over to the official website for your graphics card manufacturer, whether that's NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. If you are using NVIDIA, make sure you download and install the latest Studio driver, which is optimized for apps like Illustrator. Once that installation is complete, perform one more restart of your PC. These 3 steps are the industry standard for clearing up library and driver conflicts. I truly hope these fixes got your software up and running again. If they helped, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting guides. I will see you in the next one.